Hi friends, this is Selva. Subscribe this channel. Day by day IT related content videos are uploaded. Just subscribe this channel. Today we are see Office 365 login at a time. We get when I try to login, it comes 14 days or a two-step verification authenticator app. So here this kind of issues, go to admin center in our Office 365 web login, web portal. Just click it. Here 14 days comes, just go to 14 days. 14 days after you get compulsory, you need authenticator app. At that time you compulsory fulfill it, two-step verification. And here go to show all admin center. You get Azure, okay, Azure Active Directory. Just log in it. This is a simple method. And Active Directory, you get it. Active Directory, okay. Just Active Directory, click it, and home option is also there. Just Active Directory, Azure Active Directory, click, or directly Azure Active Directory, click it. Here option is there, properties. This previous version, previous method is separate option is there in property. This is a new method. Just go on property and scroll down here, manage security defaults. Okay, this is a based for admin control in Office 365. Okay, just disable it. Your reason you fulfilled. Your reason, other reason is there, your other reason fulfill it. My organization depending on Office 365 using or mostly more times we are login, so that time we not accessible that request. I am also that one second option is click it, because every time authenticator app I not there, because I am not under my industry is not allowing Office is Android mobile, so I will just save it, and here save for this second option. Okay, just save and fulfill it. You get successfully changed. Just again once check it in your users. One time administrator only one here fix it. Every MS of for Office 365 users every time login, you not asked in 40 days or a two-step verification. Okay friends, thank you for this watching. Just subscribe. Day by day IT related content videos uploaded. Thank you friends, thank you for watching this channel.